If you sit down and write and get writer's block, it can be really difficult to find something to write about. So you might need a prompt. Let's take a look at how you can create prompts. So I'm going to use AI to help me to create some prompts. Now, this isn't getting AI to write for you, it's getting AI to give you ideas of something to write about. Now, this can be useful for if you are a business person trying to write blog posts for their business or on a specific topic, or if you're a influencer who really wants to start writing some more or have more topics for their videos but are not sure how, this is also prompts can help you with this. But also, if you're a writer, you need to exercise your writing skills by writing, but sometimes you just don't have any ideas. So what you do is you go into your AI, and it doesn't matter if it's the same one I'm using. I'm using Copilot today, but if you're using a different one, that's okay too. You just want to see what replies you get and adjust them. So I'm going to start with just a really generic um, prompt. So I've gone in here and I'm going to say, please suggest 5. So I'm just going to start really generic. Now, it doesn't know me very well. So what is it going to give me? So it's given me some really random things because it doesn't know me. I didn't tell it exactly what to do. So it's not great. Let's focus it a little bit. Now, by focusing it and telling it exactly what I want to write about, then that helps. So if you're writing for business, you want to specify that. If you're writing for a certain niche or a demographic, you put all of this into the message to Copilot or whichever AI you're using. Or I'm going to say give. So I've just given a more of a definition of what I want, and you can see it's now giving me more information. It's giving me better prompts than before. Now, if I was to actually narrow this down, tell it who my audience was, then it can give me even better prompts. So I hope that's helped you. It's a really good thing to use prompts. There's other ways to use prompts. I've used pictures. I love pictures, and I use quotes a lot. Um, and even if I'm reading what somebody else has written, that might actually spur me into thinking, oh, actually, I don't agree with that. Or, yes, I agree with that, but I think they could take it further or in a different direction. And that helps me. And I then write those down as prompts. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, please do put those in the comments. I do have some downloads of prompts for both nonfiction and fiction. So writing for, say, business or real life, as well as stories that you could make up. And if you are interested, the link will be in the description for this video. Take care, and if you like this video, do click on that thumbs up. It really does help. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, subscribe to the channel. Take care and have a great day. Bye for now.